this article will be helping you out understand a few words, and you'll be able to learn them and use them in your speaking, writing. You'll be able to understand it pretty well. So let's get started. The word nostalgic, is a feeling that takes you back in your memory lane and makes you remember something. So you can feel nostalgic when you see a picture of your childhood days and you see how you were back those days. There is a word ripple. Much of a ripple means it did not create much of a ripple. Much of a ripple at the box office means that it did not create much buzz. It did not reap out such a huge profit. That's why it is being referred as much of a ripple. It has been accepted as a cult flick. Cult flick is a collocation. Cult flick is for the movie, as you read it further, by the niche audience which is categorized, which is not a mass audience, which is not for everyone. Radhika Madan, who has been impressing Bollywood buffs. Now, this word you can also use while speaking. More Bollywood buffs. Bollywood buffs are those who are too much into watching movies. Now, when you read it, a year down the line is something. Suppose I say 1 year down the line means 1 year from now. Okay, we also say down the road, 1 year down the road or down the line. Radhika got nostalgic recalling. Now there are two words which quite often people use interchangeably, which is not good. Recall is something when you are remembering something on your own. However, there is another word which is quite confusing at times. It is remind. Remind is when somebody else is making you remember something. That is remind. Like, can you remind me your name? I have forgotten it. So that is recall and remind. The Vasan Bala director film I Feel Extremely Happy Today as Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota completes a year. This film is always special for me because it helped me push my boundaries. Push my boundaries means, to come out of the comfort zone and perform action sequences that I couldn't have imagined. There are so many fond memories. Again, very, very nice collocation. Fond memories means very, very great memories, that is called fond memories, very deep memories that you cannot forget, that is glued to your mind. I had grown up watching films where heroine saris flew. Flew basically is the second form of the verb fly. Fly, flew, flown. So, but Vasan Vihar made me understand that in the end it is just going to be my craft that will sustain. That will sustain means that will last long. After Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota, I have started looking onto projects with a different outlook. Different outlook means different perspective, different viewpoint. Okay. So this was all about this particular article that we have analyzed so far. You can just use one of these words or phrases or collocations that you have learned just now and make sentences in the comment box and just drop it there. So see you soon in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a good day.